Hey Realness crew, it is RCRealness back at it again with another YouTube video. If you guys haven't noticed, my hair is freshly clean, freshly washed. I hope you guys will watch the video I posted on Friday for the hair trifecta. Basically, you guys, this is going to be another Boujee on a budget. Yes, Boujee on a budget. So you guys, this is going to be an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton key holder dupe from DHgates. And I did pay a total of $19 for this. $19! The original retail price of this item is $595. I was not going to pay that for a small SLG, which stands for a small leather good from Louis Vuitton. So you guys, we are going to unbox this thing right here. I'm going to be using this for my keys. I can't wait. And I did get it in the color yellow. So you see, this is how it's packaged. This is how it looks. Okay. Louis Vuitton. And then it has like the type of item it is, stuff like that, but it's like in Chinese. So, yes. So now we're gonna go ahead and open it. So they have it wrapped like this in this plastic thing right here. It's like this plastic film. And then, yeah, so now let's go on to the next thing. Now we are at the box. So this is the box, it's Louis Vuitton. It has like the similar thing to the actual Louis Vuitton with the box being orange and this part being cream. So we'll go ahead, and this will be the first time I'm seeing it. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, it comes in a leather bag. A cloth thing. So you guys, once you take it out the box, this is what the box looks like. It's just legit a whole box. And then this is what comes inside this part of the box. Let's go ahead and see what this is. You know, when you get your Louis Vuitton, you usually get like a receipt, or you get like a how to care for it, you know, stuff like that. But girl, you know it ain't real, so it's fine. We just gonna throw it in my purse. So yes, now we are going to this little thing with the key. So you guys, it comes in this cloth bag that says Louis Vuitton, this dust bag. And now when you open it like this is what it looks like. This is how it's like boxed up. This is the cloth bag that goes with it. And this is the key holder right here. And it does say Louis Vuitton Malterier a Paris. I don't know what that is. But yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide this out. You see the pop of yellow? So yes, now that this is the plastic container, this is off. We are going to get into this. So let's go ahead and slide. I'm just slide it out. It's gonna be easy. Slide it out. So you guys, this is what it looks like up close. This is the side view of it, and this is the other side. When you look up close, what is keeping it close is this button right here. So what you do is you go ahead and open this. Let's go ahead and open it. And then you have this foam keeping it together. And then this paper right here. This is what it looks like on the inside. So you can take this off. Ah! Yes, these are where my keys are gonna go. So basically you can put your car keys here, you can put your house key, your office keys, you can put all your keys in here. And they do have, it does say, I'm so happy with this, like, yes, I've been waiting for this for a while. This does say Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Can you see that? The gold Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. It's cute. And just to remind you guys, I did pay $19 for this. So basically, like, when I get a response from people who are saying, oh, why do you keep buying bags? Why do you keep doing this? Why do you keep doing that? Okay, so when people spend money, they do stuff. Some people prefer to spend money on shoes. Some people prefer to spend money on saving or investing. Me, I save my money. I make sure that I have money in my savings account. And before I buy all this stuff, of course, my account is saved. Don't worry about my account. My account is built. But as far as when people eat out a lot or when they get junk food a lot, that is what they spend their money on, right? Me, I choose to spend money on materialistic things like clothes and shoes and bags or like that, whatnot, because I know that this is an investment and this is just not something that's going in one place. Like, I'm not just eating it and it's going away. Like, this is going to be able to stay with me until I want to get rid of a new one or until it gets dusty. So, let's go ahead and compare it with what it looks like with my actual wallet. So you guys, this is my wallet and this is the card case. So you can see like the pattern is like right on in a sense. So it's cute, you know. And then the yellow, I got the red here, the yellow. Yes. And so now we are going to put some keys on it. I can't wait. I've been waiting to open it for a while. But I've been waiting to record a video first prior to opening it because I wanted to get my genuine reaction to seeing this thing right here. So let me go get my keys. Ooh. Guys, this is my keys right here. I have my keys on my Duty and Burke keychain. I love this. I got this from a thrift store in Florida. So these keys are going to be going in here. Yes, I'm here for it. So let's go ahead and open. Let's get some of these keys off. Let me get my house key first. Ooh, child. Ooh, it's stuck. Come on. Put them in our what? Our key holder! I'm such a nerd. So the first key is this one. Let's go ahead and put my sister key here first. Okay, let me just turn. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is dang-a-lang-lang-lang-lang. Dang-a-lang-lang-lang-lang. This is so cute. I like this at all. Not I like this at all. I like this a lot. And you just take it, push it. Okay, so you take it in the class. It's like a lobster claw. You take it, push it in. And once it's in, it's in there. Yes, I am here for it. This is so cute. And if you want, you can put more, like a ring on it, so you can put more keys on one key holder. But me right now, I only have like 5 keys, not including my mom. Because basically now since my sister took my car, since my sister basically has our second family car, I don't have any more keys. So these are all my keys. And now let me show you when we close it with the keys in there. So this is what it looks like with the keys. So yes, it's not too bulky. It's not too big. It's, you know, it's cute. With the key right here. And then you can actually put, like, if you want to only take this out, you can just put your debit card right here, or the 2 cards you're going to need, your debit card and your ID, and you're good. Or even if you're like me, you have Apple Pay. I'm pretty sure a lot of us have Apple Pay, so you use Apple Pay for majority of your stuff instead of actually using your actual physical card, because you know, especially with coronavirus, anybody got time to use stuff. You guys, I actually really do like this. I like the canary yellow. I like the way that it looks. Like, with the keys in it, it really does look cute. And imagine, like, the whole fit. Like, you got the Louis bag. I'm gonna get my bag real quick so you can see, like, the whole drip. Like, as you can see, I genuinely do love Louis Vuitton. And I do really want to purchase a real one eventually when I do have the money. But, yes, like, imagine just me pulling out my keys, opening my door, just... Blue. That's it. Like, you saw that? You saw the flick of the wrist? You saw that? But you guys, I'm a hot mess. But yeah, I really do like it. But look at this, like the whole vibe, like the Louis the Louis thing with the Louis wallet. Girl, it's a whole vibe. And I have the yellow here, and then this one has the red button here. It's cute. But yeah, I'm done now. So yes, you guys, this is my review of my Louis Vuitton dupe key holder, which retail for $5.95. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that button down below, and share this video with somebody who possibly loves designer stuff but can't afford the designer prices. Because I know me at this point, I can't afford it because I'm a college student. Like, I can afford one bag, but that's not smart. Like, financially, spending $1,000 and $1,500 on a bag right now is not the smartest thing for me to do. But when I am financially free and able to spend $1,500 on a bag, your boy will spend $1,500 on a bag. But you guys, Again, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. If you do have any other videos that you want me, or items that you want me to review, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. And you guys, thank you for watching. Bye!